Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I am working with the fabulous Kiki London to show you this easy nail art for beginners nail art design. It's a bit of a mix and match. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be showing you the colours that I'm applying for the base. So for the index finger, I'm putting on this gorgeous lilac gel polish. So you want to apply it nice and thinly. Make sure that you avoid getting it on your side walls and flooding your cuticles. If you do, then just get some acetone or some nail polish remover and just, clean it up before you cure it in the lamp. So for the middle finger, I'm using this gorgeous Buttercup. So it's a lovely sort of soft yellow colour. Again, apply nice, even, thin coats. But as you know, if you use Kiki London polishes, you'll know that they're a real great formula and they're really nice and self-level and things like that. I really enjoy using them. For the ring finger, this is baby blue. So again, another gorgeous light blue. It's kind of like I'm using like pastel-y colours for the base, and then I'm going to be using their Neon Vibes collection to add the sort of details and sort of make the details pop. And finally, for the little finger, it is Mojito Ice. So I am going to be using this one. So this is Diva. Like I say, this is from their Neon Vibes collection. All links to where you can get their products will be in the description box below. So please use the links provided. So with this one, I think I started off trying to do a bit of a lotus flower. So I'm sort of like pushing down on the brush and then sort of like doing a curved line out of it. But I think in the end, it kind of just looked more like a jagged edge. I think where I went wrong is here, like obviously I did the curved base, but instead of leaving it like a curved shape, I kind of joined it, and I think that kind of lost the effect. So I think if you wanted to have it more like a lotus flower look, then don't join it together like I'm doing, is probably what I would say. So I'm going to do this another 2 times. So that's kind of how it looks. And then with a small dotting tool, I'm coming in with the white polish and I'm just adding the dots. It was kind of meant to look like the pollen. So I'm just sort of like roughly placing it on the nail like so. And obviously you want to cure that as well. And then I'm coming in with yellow caution just to go over that. And the reason why I'm putting the white there first is because it makes the yellow pop. I find like it didn't pop as much if I just put it straight onto the purple. And again, obviously cure that in your lamp. So really super simple. And then for the other nails, I'm just doing some polka dots. So I'm kind of going in between what I've already done, as you can see here, until the nail is completely filled up. And the colour that I'm using, by the way, is Raving Doll. Again, from their Neon Vibes collection. And then I'm doing exactly the same, but I'm using acid green on the other one. Obviously, if you wanted to add more details, some lines and different things, you can do. I kept it really simple because it's like the weather as well here and at the moment in the UK has just been so difficult to work in. It's so hot. You're literally sweating buckets doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, I just kept this really simple. I hope that you like it. If you would recreate it, we would love to see them. So tag Kiki London in on Instagram. The details are on screen, and I'd love to see that too. So tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious, and I will share them in my Instagram stories as well. So this is what it looks like outside, and a little sort of, I was going to say photo bomb, but it's not a photo, video bomb of my Frenchie there. So I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Press subscribe if you've not done so, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.